How to uplift your day. Welcome to Daily Motivation and Inspiration with Dan. You know, we have choices to make every day, and unfortunately, as Ralph Waldo Emerson said, that eventually we wake up to a banquet of consequences. Then we have to realize that the moment by moment choices we make matter. So the things that we think matter. So if you consider it for a second, whatever we're believing, whatever we're thinking, whatever we're feeling matters. And as I've learned from people like Anthony Robbins, Dr. Wayne Dyer, Dr. Joseph Murphy, and all of the great teachers and leaders, they teach us to guard our mind. We have to guard our mind. We have to protect it from information and other resources and even people. You know, we have people around us. They have all different personalities, and we actually have our own personalities running inside of us. And, we have the 3-year-old, the teenager, the adult, the parent, the spouse. We have all these different personalities running inside of us all the time. But if we don't guard ourselves from other personalities and other opinions and other information, like media, then guess what? It gets inside of us and then it can poison us. There's a great saying that no amount of water in the ocean can sink a ship unless you let the water in the ship. Well, guess what? No amount of information can make you feel bad or make you do something you don't want to do unless you let it in, unless you say yes. And I often hear this, especially in my own home and with others. They have language like, I have to do this, I have to clean the house, I have to make dinner, I have to do this work. And that doesn't feel good. That doesn't actually make you a better version of yourself. So have tos can be want tos or get tos, if you want to reword it. And so the key here is to think about the things that you want, focus on them, and guard your mind. Because if you don't guard your mind, the information is going to get in, and then you're going to think about it, you're going to reflect on it, and your memories are going to bring something up that's going to help you validate it and convince yourself that yes, this is true. This is a problem. So guarding your mind is one thing you can do to uplift your day. The other thing you can do is to feed it. So you can feed your mind. There's tons of YouTube videos. There's also tons of affirmations and tons of books out there that you can read about this. So you can feed your mind. And the way that you feed your mind is by listening to music, reading things, writing things, watching videos that inspire you and uplift you. Feed your mind every single day. Feed your mind with the possibilities and potential for the things that you want. Uplift yourself. Take charge of your life. Too many people are sitting around waiting for others to make them happy. That doesn't happen. That doesn't work. We need to be in control of our lives and do the things that make us happy. That's how we uplift our day. We have to do it ourselves, and we have to take action. We have to do it regularly as well. If you don't, things are going to happen. The world is going to whirl around you, and you're going to be reacting to whatever comes your way. And that's no way to live. I would not do that ever. Why? Because one day you'll get to the end of your life, it'll be the culmination of everything, and everything will have compounded, and you will be a reflection of that, and you'll look back, and it won't be much to look back upon, and it won't feel good. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check it out. I have more videos like this to help you become the best that you can be. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.